Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, your trusted source for in-depth, honest, and expert product reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer, an innovative kitchen appliance designed to make meal preparation easier, faster, and more efficient. With dual baskets, multiple functions, and some thoughtful features like sink finish and toss reminder, it promises to streamline your cooking experience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer boasts an 11-quart total capacity, split between two 5.5-quart baskets. This dual basket design allows you to cook two different foods at once, each with its own independent cooking time and temperature. Think about it. You could air fry crispy fries in one basket while roasting a juicy chicken in the other, without any need to pause and swap out baskets. This ability to multitask is one of the standout features, and it's perfect for families or anyone who likes to prepare meals efficiently. Along with the two baskets, the unit offers 4 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, and keep warm. Whether you're trying to make crispy snacks, bake a batch of cookies, or keep your food warm until serving, this air fryer has you covered. It even comes with 3 preset options for popular items like wings, fries, and frozen snacks, making it simple to cook your favorites at the touch of a button. In terms of usability, the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer is designed to make cooking as hands-off as possible. Sink finish technology ensures that both baskets finish cooking at the same time, even if you've set them to different cooking times or temperatures. This is a real game changer for busy kitchens. No more juggling between baskets or waiting for one batch to finish before starting the other. And if you're the type who tends to forget things mid-cook, the toss reminder feature is a handy alert that reminds you to shake or toss your food during cooking, ensuring even crispiness. Now, let's talk about real-world use. The setup is fairly straightforward, with an easy-to-read digital display and simple controls. During testing, I found that the air fryer was quick to heat up, and the non-stick ceramic coating on the baskets made cleanup a breeze. Whether I was air frying wings or baking a small batch of potatoes, the results were generally consistent, with food coming out crispy and perfectly cooked every time. The keep warm function was particularly useful when I was preparing different dishes and didn't want one to cool off while the other finished. However, I did notice that the air fryer can get a little loud during operation, especially when both baskets are in use. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth noting if you're sensitive to noise. When it comes to performance, the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer shines in a lot of areas. The air frying function is powerful, crisping up food without the need for excessive oil. The roasting function also delivers, cooking meat and vegetables evenly. However, I did find that when using both baskets for different types of food, say air frying fries and roasting a chicken, there was a slight difference in cooking times, even with the sink finish technology. This wasn't a huge issue, but I did have to adjust the temperature or time slightly to make sure both items cooked perfectly. In terms of build quality, this air fryer feels sturdy, with a solid construction that stands up well to the rigors of regular use. The non-stick ceramic coating on the baskets helps prevent food from sticking and ensures easy cleanup. The only downside in terms of build quality is the size. While the 11-quart capacity is generous, this unit is bulky. If you have limited counter space, you may need to find a dedicated spot for it. As for longevity, it's still early days, but Cuisinart has a solid reputation for producing durable kitchen appliances, so I'm confident that this unit should last a long time with proper care. One thing that sets the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer apart from many other models is the sink settings. This feature is perfect for batch cooking, allowing you to easily replicate settings across both baskets. If you're cooking the same food in both, it's a quick way to ensure that everything cooks evenly without needing to manually adjust the settings for each basket. This attention to detail really highlights how well Cuisinart has thought about the needs of everyday users. In terms of value for money, the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer is a solid investment for those who cook for multiple people or want to streamline their cooking process. At its price point, you're getting a versatile, well-built appliance with the capacity and features to handle a variety of tasks. It's priced higher than some single basket models, but the dual basket design and additional features, like sink finish and toss reminder, make it worth considering for those who want an air fryer that can handle more than just basic frying. Comparatively, other dual basket air fryers on the market are similarly priced, but not all offer the same level of functionality or versatility. Some models lack features like the sink settings or a keep warm function, which makes this Cuisinart air fryer stand out in terms of convenience and overall performance. For those wondering if there are alternatives worth considering, a few competitors like the Ninja Foodie Dual Zone air fryer offer similar features at a comparable price point. However, what the Cuisinart has over some of the competition is its slightly more intuitive interface and the sink finish technology, which makes managing multiple foods in one go much easier. As for customer service, I haven't had any issues directly with Cuisinart for this product, but the brand is well known for its reliable customer support. From my research, customers generally report quick responses and helpful service when issues arise, though there's not much feedback on significant product defects, which is a good sign. In conclusion, the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer is a great option for anyone who wants to streamline their cooking without sacrificing versatility. It's especially ideal for families, meal prep enthusiasts, or anyone who regularly cooks multiple dishes at once. The dual basket design, sink finish technology, and range of cooking functions make it a standout in the crowded air fryer market. While it's a bit bulky and on the louder side, its performance and features more than make up for these minor inconveniences. If you're in the market for an air fryer that offers both capacity and functionality, this one should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching today's review. You can find the link to grab your own Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer in the comments box below. If you've already used this model or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep cooking smart and making the most out of your kitchen gadgets.